Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a Luma fade transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline, ensuring they are adjacent. Set the timeline to be at the clip's cut. Go to the Effects panel, search Gradient Wipe and drag it onto the first and second clip. Then, hold Alt and the left arrow to move 20 frames. Ensure you choose the first clip and head to Effect Controls. Adjust the transition completion to create the fade in and fade out effect. To transition between clips, click the stopwatch icon next to transition completion and set it to 0%. Then, move the timeline to the cutoff point 20 frames ahead and put it to 100%. Transition softness should be set at 15%. An invert gradient should be tapped. Repeat the process on the second clip, but animate the keyframes reverse, creating a fade in effect. Play the timeline to preview your Luma transition. And that's it. A quick Luma fade transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.